Athletes preparing for the postponed Tokyo Olympic Games next year will be provided with psychological support by the government, while the Athletes Assistance Program will also receive a return in short order. In the meantime, high school athletics has also gotten a major boost. The Athletes Assistance Program, which saw 145 athletes training for the Tokyo Olympics receive $80,000 a month, was suspended in July following the postponement of the Games. But with the quadrennial multi-sport event set to take place next year, Sports Minister Olivia Grange says the program will come back on board soon. But there is also an addition which has to do with mental health.
We're also providing support through a mental health program through the Jamaica Athletes Insurance Plan to help the athletes to get back into a frame of mind, to overcome the setback that they have had, and to prepare themselves to be ready for the Olympics.
In the meantime, with plans in motion to stage the ISSA Boys and Girls Championships next year, high school athletics has also received a major boost. 7 schools on Monday got hurdles through a partnership between the Jamaican and Japanese governments to assist in their development. J3A's president Garth Gale says Monday's handover was born out of a meeting between former President Dr. Blake and the Japanese authorities.
When we visited 3 years ago, the President Blake and I met with Mr. Amasaki, and we thought of how best they could assist us. And today is the second of handing over of hurdles to the J3As, and we in turn has given to schools that we deemed in need of hurdles for continuing their training program.
With a number of the schools in receipt of the hurdles being from the East, ISSA President Keith Wellington says it's a step in the right direction in terms of leveling the playing field.
Well, we think that is very important. Our students' development depend heavily on the resources available at the schools. If you note, the hurdles were shared with schools who have less resources than some of the top schools, and I think by sharing these resources amongst the less fortunate, if I may call them that, it gives us a great opportunity to discover talents that may otherwise go undiscovered.
Titchfield High, Fogar Road, St Andrew Technical, Rousseau and Windward Road Primary were the other schools to receive hurdles. The handing over was done by Chairman of the Totori Athletic Association, Shinichi Hamasaki.